Would the Prime Minister welcome the acquittal this morning by Pakistan's Supreme Court of Aasia Bibi, the young Christian wife and mother of 5 who has spent over 8 years in prison, mostly in solitary confinement, facing the death penalty on blasphemy charges merely for drinking water from a communal supply? And will the Prime Minister in particular commend the courage and integrity of Chief Justice Saqib Nisar for the message he has sent out regarding religious freedom for those of all faiths and none in delivering this judgment, setting Asia free and rectifying a great injustice?
Thank my honourable friend. And the news out of Pakistan, the release of Aasia Bibi, I think will be very welcome to her family and to all of those who have campaigned in Pakistan and indeed around the world for her release. Our long-standing position on the death penalty is well known. We call for its abolition globally.